and get up at 4 o'clock. So. First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong. Boston, and I grew strong, and I learned how to carry on. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should take those stupid marks I should have made and leave your key. But no, for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry. And now I hold my head up high, and now you'll see somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. So if you feel like dropping in and expecting to be free, I'll be saving all my loving for the one who's loving me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Thank you. We're going to take a short break.